And welcome back once again. This is James Henderson with MillardaBitcoin.com, where we're here to give you the what's hot, what's not, and what's up to date with the state of crypto. So we're just going to give you an overall view of what's going on with crypto. And the neat thing about this is just for entertainment purposes only. So we got to get the lawyer's statement in here somehow, so that everything I say, don't take it as a financial decision. Just give us about 15 minutes of your time and have fun and relax and enjoy what we're about to bring to you. So, with that being said, this is not financial advice. This is actually entertainment purposes only. So, all right. So the lawyers are happy. Okay, thanks. So the NVIS crypto to compare digital assets. The top 10 indexes closed at 12,968 with a loss of 2.87%. What does that mean? Volatility in the market is hot. It's dropping down just a little bit, but the thing is, Bitcoin's go back up. There's a lot of rumors that are going on. A lot of people trying to put regulations on it, but if the network as a whole try to get out there and say this is a global dominance of what any government can control, then we're fine. As soon as people start giving up their rights, then that's where it all goes to crap. All right, so it's very simple. This is, Bitcoin is based on the one world market. And anyways, it's a lot easier for me to send Bitcoin over to Ireland than go through Western Union and have them wait a couple weeks when it only takes me a day, less than a day, and a lot less in fees. So, especially if you're trying to get in their currency instead of, doing all this transaction with the US dollar, taxes, yada, yada, yada. Transaction fees, geez, Western Union's killing it with all the money, but that's going to soon come to a stop. Hey, today is January 12th, 2018. Life is good. It is bright and sunny out there. I've got a dog that's just dying to get outside, and so I'm going to make this short and sweet. So what's going on with the market update? Bitcoin is still sitting at 13,617 with the loss of 1.3 at the time of this recording. So more than $1.7 billion worth of Bitcoin were exchanged with the US dollars, and Japan is sitting at 36.5%. Well, wait a minute. Some of y'all are saying that Japan actually, tried stopping the exchange. BS. No one's going to be stopping, especially if you're making money. And if they close off a country, well, then people just set up a VPN. Real simple, folks. The governments might as well just give up their hands, throw it back, and say this is the way that we're going to go and try to help us build a solid network. But no, all the old guys are sitting out there going, we just don't understand it. We think it's a bad thing, yada, yada, yada. Well, anyways. So Ethereum has dropped 3.2% over the past 24 hours, sitting at, $1,200, with over 840 million worth of Ethereum exchange in the past 24 hours. The U.S. pair has shared 32% of that in the daily trading volume. Incredible, folks. Life is enjoyable when life is good. Oh, Venezuela is back on the market. In fact, we're actually keeping a close eye on this because we don't know what's BS and what's not. So Venezuela will pre-mine the petrol and launch in 6 weeks. They claim, so one day after Venezuela's oil-backed cryptocurrency was declared illegal, the government of President Nicolas Maduro announced plans to pre-mine the petrol. Okay, so now we got a government who's defining all the laws. Great. So the new currency is expected to launch in 6 weeks. The Venezuelan superintendent of cryptocurrency and relevant activities, Las Vegas, announced on Wednesday, as reported to the EI Universal, the petrol will not be mineable but pre-mined. So that means the miners who are registered can only mine, and they're going to get taxed on it heavily. In addition, it will be assigned with a procedure similar of that of an auction. In a period of a month and a half of sales of the petrol cryptocurrency will take place, and people will be able to create their digital wallets. Just sit back and think about that one. So Venezuela wants to actually, get on the cryptocurrency. People are actually going to start mining the cryptocurrency, but they'll claim it's, the whole petro thing. How are these guys supposed to know? They're all old farts anyways. So with that being said, this whole centralized version, this is the epicenter of which a lot of us guys on the outside who believe in the whole decentralized world is hoping that this fails, and it fails fast, because people are actually making money in the decentralized version of the crypto world, but Venezuela, stomped it. Like, I feel bad for my friends who have parents over there who are starving, but it's not. It's not a. Just. I don't think it's going to work out personally. So with that being said, MoneyGram. So why is Ripple up? 12% today. Well, MoneyGram is to pilot XRP token. That's right. For all of y'all thought that MoneyGram was about to go and die, they've decided to change their policies. Instead of overcharging everyone, sending money back and forth to different countries, they're going to try the Ripple XRP token. So, with their and this is what Brad Galenhouse said. The inefficiency of the global payments doesn't